Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on the 2017 Buick LaCrosse. This vehicle comes in white metallic paint with alloy rims. We also have our tan leather interior and V6 engine. Now moving on to the interior of the Buick LaCrosse, we'll take a look at a few of the driver's features. Starting off here with our door panel, we have black and tan leather. We also have wooden trim, a chrome door handle with our lock and unlock buttons, and down below we have our memory seat option, our close handle, rear and front window controls, rear window lock, and our power mirror adjustment with a joystick. Underneath we have a speaker and storage. Then we have our power trunk release. Side of the seat we have our power seat adjustment and power lumbar support adjustment. And off to the left of the steering wheel we have our interior dimmer switch, as well as our daytime running lights and fog lights, heads-up display adjustment and info, and then our electronic park brake. You can see our heads-up display just in the dash, and then our gauge cluster, radio controls on the right side of the steering wheel, Buick badge in the middle, and then our voice commands, heated steering wheel, cruise control, and front collision alert are located on the left. The steering wheel is wrapped in dark brown leather. We also have that dark brown pattern across the dash. Push start, as well as our infotainment screen, which displays our audio phone, as well as projection, OnStar navigation, climate, as well as our text reader. On the second page we have our shop. We have our hazards, home button, as well as our volume controls, dual zone climate underneath with heated and cooled seats, traction control, park assist, as well as our lane departure warning. Our gear selection stalk, our two cup holders just located off to the right. And we have storage for coins or change or other small things, as well as our remote charging port, padded brown leather center console lid. And inside we have two USB ports, an auxiliary input and 12-volt charging port, as well as textured rubber, and a light at the back. The front seats are featured in the same tan leather we saw on the door panel. We also have perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. Above the rearview mirror we have our OnStar controls, dome lights and dome light settings, as well as 3 garage door openers. Back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Buick badge center caps, paint matched mirror caps, and our lock and unlock buttons and chrome strip on all 4 door handles. We also have our fin antenna, Buick and LaCrosse badging on the rear, as well as our dual exhaust. Now on to the rear interior of the Buick LaCrosse. We'll take a look at the rear door panel, which also features our 2-tone door card, our wooden trim, chrome door handle, speaker, as well as storage, our window switch and close handle. Back of the front seats we have leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our vents, as well as our power outlet and 12-volt charging port. The rear seats are a 60/40 split bench with the same tan leather and perforated leather. We also have a fold-out center seat, which features 2 cup holders, as well as a felt-lined center console. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2017 Buick LaCrosse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.